Hi guys, welcome to Draw Easy Cool. My name's Key and today we'll be drawing a cute little owl. So here we go. Let's start with a nice position for this nice, beautiful big head. Place for his lovely little eyes. Now with the eyes, I might not start with two massive round circles like we usually do. I might just start with little center bits, little center pieces for you. Okay. Just like that. And then from this point, let's come down just a little bit. And this is going to create the bottom of the eyes. Nice big circle, almost coming up, almost touching. There we go. And let's try and do the same thing on this side. If it's perfectly even, great. If not, that's okay. You can always fix it later. We're just putting the line works in at the moment. There we go. That'll do. Let's just bring it to there. Alrighty, now with these guys, it's seeming a little bit wonky there on that side. It's okay. Alright, from this point, and I'll put those references in later. Let's bring out the outside of the eyes, round and up. I'll do the same on this side. Do it here. Out and around, that's where the eyes will be sitting. Okay. Alright, now just not quite to center this time, so let's just bring it across a little bit there and there. There we go. That's fine. Okay, from this point, I think we should, almost definitely going to continue with the eyes. What we'll do is we'll put in some of the highlights because they're always fun. So let's start with the highlights on either side. And then as opposed to going straight to the outside and just cutting it in nice and easy, let's move the highlight inside just a little bit. Kind of like what you would see on a balloon. Or any other spherical object really that's reflecting. There you go. Now from that point, let's get big section for the pupils, because we all know owls have big, beautiful eyes. There we go. Just go around there. Just come around, follow it. Just like that. That whole section is going to be black. Colour that all the way in. I think that's coming out a bit too far there. I might have to bring that in a bit. There we go. We'll see how that feels later on. Okay. I can bring them out a little bit further. Okay. Alright, now I think we might pop in his beak. Let's just bring it down two little sharp points. And I guess you would call them nostrils. If anyone can check for me, that would be great. Now just while we're doing this as well, guys, let's go to the middle here, middle of the eyes. Okay, because this guy is going to be kind of like a chibi, I guess. Let's get one wing out here. Let's move it across for the wing down here. That's okay. A little bit more of a feather there. And get a center point there. A little bit of feathers. Let's kick it out a bit. There we go. That's nice. Okay. A couple little feathers for the inside, because we may end up colouring his belly in a different colour. Okay, let's go back up to the top and let's give him some feathers coming off his eyebrows here. Why? Because it's always fun. Here we go. Oh, let's kick it out a bit further there. They're a bit fluffy, aren't they? Okay. Maybe an extra little highlight in here. Let's see how that looks later on. That might be nice. Alright. Okay, top of his hair. Now, should he be windswept one way or windswept the other? Let's blow his hair that way. Alright. So, should I turn the page? I think I'm going to turn the page. This will make it easier. So from here I might just come from this side. Swing it across and down. Across and down. I'm just going to follow that original circle line that I had there. That's okay. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. It just depends on how we wish the head to be shaped. That'll be fine. Alright. Couple little... How about we have a couple little stringy bits, stragglers coming off everywhere. A couple little stragglers. Here's maybe this little one out here, another one that's sticking down towards his eyebrow there, one out the side. That's fine. Alright, now, feet. Let's give him some feet. Let's kick his legs out. I think they look great when they kick out. It's nice and cute. Now he's going to be grabbing onto a twig or a branch from a tree. So let's have one talon. Pretty sure they're called talons. One talon grasping onto the front there. The other one coming across to the middle, and then one will be going down the back. Now that'll be half of that'll be hidden by the branch. And this guy, I might even let that hook around underneath. That one's going into the branch. There we go. Yeah, that's okay. That'll work. Okay, so he's going to hook around as well. Yeah, why not? Okay, and this one can come in, and this one can go under. There we go, and that can be going into the edge of the tree there, which is fine, which will be coming. Let's just pop him up this way. So this is the tree here. There we go. We've got a bit of a knot going on here because that's where his branch is coming from. That'll do. Okay, you usually get more bark work. It seems to get quite dense as the tree curves around. So it's going to be much more dense here as they all seem to come together, wrapping around the cylindrical object, which is the tree. We don't need to worry about too much about that. That's not really our focal point. We care about this, and let me just give a little bit of colour here just so I can see how the pupils look, because they're quite big in this picture. Bit of a funky looking owl, this guy. This massive oh, massive eyes, beautiful. Alright, I think that might do it for the moment, and let's go on to some line work, some of the inking. Let's go straight to the thick ones here. Alright, so where am I going to start? Up top. I think I might start on his hair and just pivot around again. Now I'm going to start here. Alright. Using the thicker ones for the inside, or for the outside of these eyelashes, because they are quite prominent. Now, let's give that a little kick in here. I'm changing it up a little bit, aren't I? Let's bring it around. That's fine. Okay. There we go. A little bit more there. And maybe just while it's on the side here, might just bring around top of the eye, Not perfect, but that's no problem. No problem to me. Alrighty, I'm going to might bring it back for you guys so you can see it straight on again. Okay, let's go to the top of the eye here. Well, the eyebrow, I guess this would be. Bring it down. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's a lot deeper than that one. Wonder how that'll look in the end. I'm suggesting it'll be fine. As I've said in all of my videos, any work you do, whether you think there's a little mistake like that, I've just put a little dot down here, I didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. If you ever make what you would call a mistake, don't worry about it. You just learn from it and think to yourself, okay, I've got to go a little slower around here. Next time, maybe a little closer so I don't have to join it up like I just did then. And we learn from our little, I guess, mistakes, but everything's beautiful. It's all good. Okay, a couple little ones there. Let's kick that one out there, right. Alrighty, beak time. Bring you down, son. There you go. And now the outside of the wing. We've got a little kick in there. I want to forget that one. And the outside of this, a little kick. It's a fun, nice little wing. Bring that across and straight on up. Alright, talons. Across and in. I didn't want to kick it under that time. Thought it started to look a little bit interesting. Try and make it as simple as possible here for everyone. Alrighty. There we go. Nice. The edge, beautiful. This one across. A little further, straight into there. Around. Oh, it's starting to feel nice. Beauty. Alright. That's that. Now the tree. Yeah, I may as well continue with the tree with this thickness pen. Let's get it up there, make it a bit jagged because trees are usually quite uneven, they're not perfect. Alrighty, in for the eyes. Should I stay with the same thickness? What do you think? Let's change it up. Let's change it up. Let's go. What should we go? 0.3? What do you think? Why not? That's what I have here, so that's what I'm going to use. Alright. So let's get a couple little flicks in here. Yeah. Beauty. And little nostrils. I guess they're called nostrils. Okay. Highlight will go in there. This highlight will be very interesting if that works. Okay, this is where another big highlight will go. That one all the way around. Beautiful. And now let's meet up here. If you could choose any owl from any movie, what would it be? Or TV show? Or anything you've seen in your daily life walking around? Do you have owls at your house? Around your streets? I certainly don't, not around here. They're a beautiful, cute little creature. Little kicks in there. Now let's stick them in here so we can see. Let's try and speed this up a little bit, shall we? It's getting a bit long, this video again. I always try to make these videos short, but they always seem to go on. No, it's all part of it though. Absolutely adore it. It's fun. It allows us to forget about our worries and just enjoy putting colours, blacks, whites, everything down on paper. Alright, here's a bit of an interesting little one. Now let's give him some colour, and I might just start by colouring in the eyes. Should I start with the eyes? Finish with the eyes. Let's start with the eyes. So let's just get the black in here. Or maybe I'll quickly rub all of this pencil work out first. I'll be right back.